What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Still Learning by Halsey. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 3rd fret. It's only using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Middle finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. Then you're going to go G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, ring finger 3rd fret low E, middle finger 2nd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret high E string. Then we're going to go F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. You're barring that entire 1st fret with your index finger, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string, middle finger 2nd fret G string. Then finally E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. Now I'm going to show you guys how to palm mute and how to strum through the song in case you want to just strum through the chords instead of palm muting. Palm mute, put that fleshy part of your hand on the bridge of the guitar where you get this punchy muted sound. If you're too far forward, it's going to mute the strings entirely, and if you're too far back, it's not going to mute them at all. So find that sweet spot where you can pick downward on the strings and you get that punchy muted sound. Now for each of these chords, we're going to palm mute downwards in 2 counts of 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that just repeats, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if you want to strum through these chords instead of palm muting through them, I will show you the strumming pattern. Just keep in mind it is a little bit quicker. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up throughout each chord. So down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down. And up to speed, the correct tempo for the song looks like down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.